Hi everyone, let's talk makeup, and today I have lip swatches and reviews of the Sephora favorites. Give me some new lip. When I first saw this guy come out, I thought it looked really nice. There were products in here that I've never ever tried. In fact, I've never tried any of these, so that's what called to me. And I have now been using them for over a week, so I thought it was just time to film a lip swatch and review video of it for you all. So I'm gonna start with the Très Stick. What is this? This is a mini plumping lip balm in Barbados Berry. So this was one of the most interesting products in the kit for me because I've never tried anything from the brand, and it looks like just a regular balm, but once you actually wear it, let me give you the hand swatch first. So even in the hand swatch, right, it's nothing too impressive, but let me show you what it looks like on the lips. So one, super easy to apply. And there we go. It actually has a really nice, decent amount of color in it. And my lips are pigmented. So before applying this, I had nothing on my lips. So for color to show up, it's got to be really something, right? Let me zoom you in actually so you can see. Okay, that's a little bit better. So this is what it looks like. Because it is a thick balm, you do, kind of have to be careful about going outside of the lip line, but I actually find it really nice, easy to apply. The first time I applied this, my lips were super duper chapped. And this lip balm actually really helped to rehydrate them and make them feel comfortable. This is not going to restore your lips, but it does make them look very nice. In terms of the plumping effect, as I say, it's a plumping lip balm. I don't really feel any plumping for it. I'm not big into plumping products, but usually with those plumping products, it tends to have a little bit of, like, you feel it plumping, and I don't feel it with this one. So if you don't like that kind of pain that sometimes comes with lip plumping products, this one is a safe one. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next one I want to talk about is the Fenty Beauty, what is it called? Mademoiselle lipstick in Candy Venom. Okay, so this is a line that just came out, right? The Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle. This is the color. This looked like kind of scary color for me when I first saw it, but I have actually been wearing it. I have enjoyed it. So let me show you what it looks like on the lips. So this is what it looks like on the lips. It is a matte color, and it does stay on the lips quite well. If you snack on something, I feel like the color will stay on you. When I wore this, I was snacking on some chips, and the color did stay on my lips even after that. I also was drinking throughout the day, and it stayed on. So this will last a good 3 to 4 hours without any eating, or some light eating and drinking. Of course, if you eat anything especially greasy, it will rub off. I did find that it wore off pretty nicely. It is also a color that, while looked scary for me on the tube and in the lip swatches, once I wore it, I really liked it, especially with certain looks. I feel like it could look really pretty. So this is a winner for me, and I actually went into Sephora and picked up a couple of other of the Fenty lipsticks. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this next one was such a revelation to me when I first wore it. Let me show you the hand swatch. Here it is. This is the Marc Jacobs, what is it called? It's the Le Marc Liquid Lip Crayon in Night Mauves. So this is a new lipstick formula as well that just came out, and oh my goodness, let me show you what it looks like first. Okay, here it is. So first of all, I would have preferred if Night Mauve's color would have been a little bit deeper, but I wore this with like a super bold look, and I really liked how it looked on me. So this was kind of a revelation for me, as I said earlier, because It says it's a liquefied lip crayon, right? Liquid lip crayon. And when I read that, I was like, yeah, right. This is a crayon, right? It's a lip pencil. There's no way it acts like a liquid lipstick. But guess what? It actually acts like a liquid lipstick, in that it stays on. I'm gonna give it like 1 more minute to set here, but it does feel really comfortable on the skin. It applies like a crayon applies on the lips. Well, this one transferred a little bit, so you do have to give it a minute to set, but once it sets on your lips, it is going nowhere. I actually ate and did some eating with it, and as long as it's not something super greasy, it stayed on. At the end of the night, I still had the lip crayon on my lips. So this was really, it is very much like a liquid lipstick, except without the kind of liquid lipstick formula, without being drying, because it's not drying at all. And in fact, it feels kind of oily right now, because and once it sets, because it's not fully set at the moment, once it fully sets, it's not drying. Like, it doesn't suck the moisture out of your lips the way that a lot of liquid lipsticks do. So it is a really nice formula. It is one that I'm like, oh, I really want to try more colors of it. It's a little bit more pricey of a line. At some point I'm going to pick up another one. Maybe I don't need to. I'm struggling with it because it is one that I would like to try. Maybe some of the matte colors in it. But I'm also trying to be good about not buying as much makeup this year. So let me show you the next lipstick in the kit. Okay, so this next one is the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the color Snobby. So this is a pink glitter bomb, essentially. Here is the hand swatch. This is what it looks like on the lips. This is a lip gloss. It's more of a gloss formula for people that are not afraid to wear glitter on their lips. I'm a little afraid to wear glitter on my lips, but I actually kind of like this color. I think there are occasions in which it would work. It's not going to be an everyday color for me, so I feel like this is one that I will get less use out of, but it's still a decent one, and it allows me to play a little bit with some of these glitter glosses, which I would not go out and purchase on my own, because it's not kind of product that I look for, but I am enjoying playing with it, having it in the kit. So let me show you the last one. Okay, so this last one is the Smashbox Cosmetics. Let's see, what is it called? Always On Metallic Matte, and this is in the color Exo Vlada. Yeah, so it's a matte metallic liquid lip. And again, I don't really look for metallic glittery products for my lips, but this is one that I picked up. Okay, so the first time I wore it kind of at the end of the night. I was like, oh, playing with makeup, let me sit down, let me try this one, because I'm not sure that I want to wear it out. Right, so I put it on, and it actually looked really nice. It's a nice bronzy look. I think that this is the way I would wear the kind of glittery lip products or metallic lip products, and that I don't want it to be super bold, but this color on my skin tone doesn't look as super duper bold, especially in real life. I think it's definitely metallic, and anybody looking at it would absolutely be attracted to look at your lips. What does she have on? Here's the hand swatch on my hand. But I don't know, it just makes me feel a little more comfortable than other metallic lips that I've seen in terms of the color and how it looks on me. So I really like this one. But okay, let me finish telling you the story. I put it on towards the end of the night, and alright, I put it on. I was like, it feels comfortable. As it's setting, it's a little bit sticky, but once it sets, there's no stickiness at all. Really pretty color. It's a liquid lip, so it is long wearing. I drank a few, took some sips of water, and it stayed on. All of that, all good. Then at the end of the night, I went to take a shower, and I removed my makeup, started with some of the skincare, and then I was like, all right, the last thing I'll do is remove the lip, right? So throughout removing the rest of my makeup, the lip stayed on, and then I forgot to take it off. So I actually walked into the shower, got in my shower with this lipstick still on. So one, that goes to show how natural it feels on the lips, that I didn't notice, I didn't remember that I had anything on my lips to begin with. And so I was fine. I was like, whatever. Did up my whole shower routine, got out, and this thing was still completely on my lips. So it is waterproof. So I was quite amazed at these lip products, because liquid lipsticks, that ideally is kind of what it should do, but not all of them do, and that's totally fine. But this one withstood a shower, which I thought was really cool, which I actually probably made me like it even better. So in the end, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lipsticks that come in the kit. I really like all of them. The only one that I don't anticipate getting a ton of wear out of is the Huda Beauty. But other than that, really nice ones that I've been enjoying playing with and wearing for about a week and a half. So in the end, in terms of whether you should get this kit or not, I thought with all kits, I feel like it depends on your personal preferences, on skin tone, how these things look on you. That's why I wanted to do this video, so you can see how it looks like on a kind of tan skin tone. I do think this is a very good value for $28 at Sephora. I like all the formulas in this lip kit, and all of the products that come in it. The question is, do you see yourself wearing these? There are a couple of full-size, 2 full-size lip products. The Smashbox is full-size. The Marc Jacobs is full-size. The other are just trial or kind of travel size. But do you like them? Do they sound like products that you would wear? For me, it is, and it's one that I have really been enjoying, and I'm going to continue to enjoy playing with, despite the fact that I have a shit ton of lip products. But it is individual. So if you like these products, or at least want to try them, then it'll probably be worth it, and if not, then it won't. Save your money and instead pick out the formulas that you like out of this, maybe the Fenty Beauty, maybe the Marc Jacobs, and go pick up a lipstick of those. The Fenty Beauty, for example, is $18 for a full size of these. Cheaper than buying this whole kit. So if you just know you really want to try the Fenty Beauty, just go try the Fenty Beauty, right? Instead of buying all 5 products. But if, like me, you need a variety, you like trying out these new formulas, these different colors, then I think it is worth it. So that is it for me. Let me know what you think down below. If you're planning on getting the kit, if you've already gotten, which colors do you like from it, what have you been wearing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.